On this video, we're going to show you how to replace the O-ring on your onboard bobbin winder. You'll need a 3/32 Allen wrench, and some of the older machines you might need a flat screwdriver. We start out, we need to take these 4 screws out. Make sure when you take that last screw out, you're holding on to that bobbin winder because it'll fall out and cause problems. This is your O-ring. Basically, you might want to wipe some oil off of it if there's any oil on it, so you get a better grip. And just roll that O-ring right off. You'll get a replacement O-ring, and you'll want to have your lever engaged so that it's off of this brake post, and roll your new O-ring right on the wheel. And that's how you replace the O-ring. Now we're going to show you how to put your onboard bobbin winder back onto your machine. You want to lay it up here with the bottom edge cocked down, and then just cock it in. Lean it forward into that opening, and it'll slide right in there. Hold it into position. Start one of your screws. This particular model, the newer models, have a 3/32 Allen head screw. Some of the older ones had a flat screw. Start all of your screws before you tighten any down. And that is how you replace your onboard bobbin winder.